Hi there and welcome to a new video. In this one, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to be able to find the best GoDo tutorials because I know how valuable they are. I have been creating them for about 2 years in this YouTube channel. So I will show you the best methods to find the best tutorials. And by the way, each tab of the browser that I have over here is one method, okay? So let's start right away. First of all, and where you are going to be finding the most number of tutorials is if you go to the official GoDo website, and here you go to community. Here, besides finding, for example, the Discord where they would share some tutorials, as well in Reddit, Facebook, you may find some tutorials, as well as in other official social networks. Where you're going to actually be finding a lot is in this specific tutorial section. If you click, you're going to be redirected to the GoDo docs. So, for example, for tutorials and resources, here they recommend the Godot as a library to kickstart in some project that has already been made. You can here go to category and look for projects or demos, and when you do this and press over here in the search button, well, you're going to find a lot of projects that you're going to be able to learn from, because here you will find all the notes with which the project was created, the code, etc. Or you even have demos that they are also for more specific things. They aren't like a whole game, but just a demonstration of some specific features, such as here a joypad, a screen capture demo, dynamic split screen, etc. Also here they have a huge list over at Reddit, so as you can see here you will find a whole list of text and written tutorials, as well as video tutorials. Okay, as you can see, you find a lot of information over here. Even some more paid courses that I will actually be covering in a second. So yes, indeed, in this post in Reddit you have like a lot of things. It is quite an old post, but well, still some stuff from here, at least the YouTube channels, I think that they do still have some interesting information. They also mention GD Quest as a channel in which you can start off your journey, because they have here tons of playlists to start off in Godot. Now, the next thing that I really recommend you do is that as soon as you see some tutorial that you like, is that you like it and subscribe to that YouTube channel. Why? Because by doing this, you will show the algorithm that you're interested in that kind of content. So then on your homepage, more GoDo tutorials will likely appear. So if you do like this video over here, this tutorial over here, make sure that you actually like, even comment and subscribe to that channel, because this is basically how algorithms work. And sometimes the best tutorials are the ones that are the most updated. So if you're always subscribed to like all the GoDo YouTubers out there, you will always have access to the latest information and even free courses on YouTube. So I really recommend you subscribe to a lot of channels. And this applies to all social media. You can do this on YouTube if they do have some kind of Twitter account, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Make sure that you're following them everywhere. Then also another thing that I really recommend you do is that I have actually recompiled 40 GoDo YouTubers. Of course, it is impossible to mention every single GoDo YouTuber out there, but well, I tried to mention like a huge list of them. As you can see, they are listed all below over here. I'm going to be leaving a link to this video in the description down below so that you can check it out. So indeed, here I am mentioning a lot of GoDo creators that you can go to, subscribe to their channels, follow what they are doing, because as for example here, this channel is super small, but for example here this guy is creating a complete course on how to make a complete FPS in Godot. Okay, so it is amazing the quality and amazing information that you can find for free in such a small channel. So make sure that you show some support over there. And now the last option that I'm going to suggest in this case, well, actually these are like tutorials, or well, free tutorials. But well, what these paid platforms have is that you can literally just sort by the engine that you have, for example, in this case Godot, and you can view all the Godot courses and you will find like a lot of information. And take a look at the length of these courses. They are super long in a lot of cases, so it is quite cool. And also what you have are bundles. So bundles are basically a collection of courses that you can buy so you always have like a huge discount. In this case, well, they have Black Friday over here, so they have a huge bundle over here that has a lot of discounts over here, and they're including like 6 courses or something, like 5 courses in total. But well, I actually previously bought a GoDo bundle that wasn't on Black Friday, and it was quite cheap, and it included like 2 or 3 courses on GoDo, which was quite cool. And once again, a lot of information, over 30 hours of content here, or well, actually in this bundle specifically, over 50 hours of content for just $30. I think it is really a lot, like super worth it if you actually want to have the best tutorials out there. And then another platform that is quite cool is Zelda. You can go to courses, create games, GoDo, and here you will find a lot of things here. How Zelda works is a little bit different. First of all, they have I think that a much bigger catalog than Game Dev TV. So they have much more content here, more games to be created, and the good thing about Zelda is that they work with a subscription system here. So basically you pay for a subscription and you have access to the different courses. So in this case, for example, for $50 per year, you get access to literally all the content at Zelda. So well, their models are different, but well, if you want to take like a lot of courses in 1 year, well, maybe the subscription at Zelda is better, okay? Or well, at least that's the price that it has currently here on Black Friday. Then it is supposed to cost $2,000, but well, I don't really know which is the original cost when there isn't any kinds of discount, because maybe it isn't 200. So these were all the techniques that I had to share with you in terms on how to find the best GoDo tutorials. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribed. See you in the next one, and bye bye.